Let's open page number 100. Look at the birth certificate here. According to this birth certificate, few questions are given and we will have to answer of few questions. Here is the birth certificate of Sudha, but by mistake is written here Binsi. So children, you will cut this name and instead of that you will write Sudha in your textbook. Children, do you know everybody has birth certificate? Just you can ask to your father, when you were born, your father also has made birth certificate for you like this. Okay. So here we can see the name of the child, Sudha Ramesh Chandra Trivedi. Okay. This is the birth certificate of Sudha Ramesh Chandra Trivedi. She is female. Her date of birth is given 2/5/2002. Okay. Her birthplace is also given. Her parents' name, father and mother's name also shown here. Date of registration and also registration number shown in this certificate. Okay. Now, according to this certificate, some questions are given here and we start to read the first question. 2/5/2002 shows that Sudha was born on 2nd in the year 2002. So here we have to write the name of month. So first children, we have to understand how to see the date. So here I have written the birthday of Sudha, 2/5/2002. So here is, are you seeing here first number 02? This number shows day. Okay. Now middle number here is oblique and middle number is 05, that is 5. It shows month. And last 2002 shows 2002 indicate year. So first 2/5/2002 it means date, month and year. Okay. So here is the question, which here we have to find out which month. So first we should know 5th is which month. So we start to count from January. So here is January month. First month is January, second February, third March, fourth April and fifth month is May. So what answer we will write children? We will write May. So we can say Sudha was born on 2nd May in the year 2002. Now let's read the second question. How old will Sudha be on 2nd May 2008? So here children, if you subtract 2002 from 2008, we will get 6 years. Okay. Why we will subtract 2002? Because it is the birth year of Sudha. Okay. So here I have written 6 years. Now question number 3rd. How old will she be in the year 2052? Okay. As we know children, she was born in the year of 2002. Okay. And when 2052 will come, on that time what will be the age of Sudha? So what we do? The same way we will subtract 2002 from 2052 and we will get 50 years. So I have written on that time Sudha will be on 50 years. Sudha will be 50 years old. Okay, in 2052. Right? Now we see the question number 4. On what date will she be 8 years old? Write in numbers. So children, we will do in notebook. So in which she will be 8 years old. So first we draw 8 line. 8 indicate year. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. and she was born on 2002. So we count after 2002, 2003, 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2010. Or also you can do this way. You add, suppose here is the birth year of 2002. We add 8 years. So 2 plus 8 is 2010. So answer is 2010. So here I have written date in number 2/5/2010. Next one is, how many months old was Sudha on 2nd August 2002? So children, as we know, the birth month of Sudha is May. From May to June, she will be 1 month old. From June to July, she will be 2 months old. From July to August, she will be 3 months old. Okay, so here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 months. So answer will be 3 months. So what we say, Sudha will be 3 months old in August 2002, right? Now let's see the question number 6. How many years old is Sudha now? So children, can you tell me now at present which year is going on? Yes, 2020. So and her birth year was 2002. So her age in 2020 is, what we do? Just count it after 2002. So when we subtract 2002 from 2020, we get 18. So answer will be 18 years. Sudha is 18 years old now. Children, look at this date. 5th August 5/8/2002. This is the issues birth certificate. Issuing certificate. Okay, this date. So as we know, Sudha was born on 2nd May 2002 and the birth certificate was issued on 5 August 2002. Now May is the 5th month of the year and August is the 8th month of the year. So the number of months after her birth when her certificate was issued is equal to, what we say? What we say, children? Yes, 3 months. So we count after May, June, July and August. So answer we will write here 3 months. Now we see the question number 8. What is the registration number of her certificate? So here also shown the registration number in certificate. So that number you will write here. I will show you first. Look at here, children. Registration number 0815/02. So this is the answer of the question number 8. Now children, it is your turn. Find out when were you born. So here you have to write of your birthday. Write your date of birth in number. So in number also you have to write and you have to fill this birth certificate. Just you ask, you can take help from your parents and you complete it. After completing, you will show to me. Thank you.